Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save pictures from a video using VLC Media Player. Whether you're creating custom images from your favorite clips, or you simply want to capture frames for gifts, projects, or social media, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your VLC Media Player and go to Tools, then select Preferences. Once you're there, switch the settings view to all at the bottom and navigate to Video Filter's Scene Filter. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. Next, set the image format. PNG is a great choice and choose the folder where your images will be saved. By default, it will go to your Pictures folder, but you can change the path if you want. Then, adjust the recording ratio. For example, if you put 5, every fifth frame will be saved. Put 1 if you want every frame exported. After configuring these options, click Save. To start capturing images, go to Filters and enable the Scene Video Filter. Now, when you play your video, VLC will automatically export the images based on your settings. A very important tip: once you're done, go back to Filters and disable the Scene Video Filter. Forgetting this could result in VLC saving images for every video you play, which could fill up your hard drive quickly. Once you've completed these steps, your images will be ready in the folder you selected, and you can use them for anything you like. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to convert video frames to images easily with VLC Media Player. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who might need it.